Good morning! We're now here in Savoy Private Beach in Savoy Hotel. And now we're watching the sunrise. Sobrang ganda. Wala sinabi ang beaches ng Korea. Hi kayo ulit, Sol. Kami ngayon magpa-parasailing and helmet diving. So here, punta kami ngayon. So for the parasailing, we paid 1,600 per person.
Baka makapunta tayo sa Palawan!
Abot tayo ng Palawan?
So, nakasakay kami ngayon ng speedboat. Pupunta kami sa parasailing. Parasailing, 1,600 yung binayaran namin per person. And then, for the helmet diving is 1,200 per person. So, pagpunta nyo here is mayroon kayong registration na gagawin with the local government. And then, bibigyan kayo ng tatak. And then, yung tatak na yun yung gagamitin for identification, I guess. Nag-kayak din kami, crystal kayak, picture taking din kami. So, that was around 200 per person for 15 minutes. Tapos tuturuan naman kayo mag-posing, and then si kuya na rin yung mag-picture for you. Yan na. Hi guys, we're now back at the hotel. Nahilo kasi yung kapatid ko for parasailing, kaya muna kami sa hotel. So we ordered 4 cheese pizza from Two Seasons Hotel. Tinake out na lang namin kasi para makapagpahinga na rin sa hotel. Well, masaya naman yung parasailing. So ang nagastos namin for the parasailing is 1,600. 1,800 yun sa Klook. So tinawaran namin yung tour guide. So 1,600 pumayag siya. And then, okay naman dun. So, yun lang. Sometimes magkakaroon ka lang motion sickness because nasa taas ka. So, if you're afraid of heights, huwag ka na sumakay. Kasi mataas siya. And, pero okay naman siya. I felt safe naman dun. I don't feel anything na parang unsafe. So, may harness, there's a life jacket. So, it's okay naman. So, yung helmet diving, we were able to get it for 1,200 but per person. Kaya lang hindi na nga kami natuloy. So, na-refund naman namin siya. So, when we were processing the refund, they asked us kung if they want us to have the helmet diving at another day. kasi nga na hilo. But since sabi namin hindi na lang, refund na lang and then we'll just book again if kailangan.
Welcome to Belmont, Boracay.
Hi, we're now in D Mall. It's kinda because I'm hungry already, so let's have some lunch here. So this is what the D Mall looks like. There are lots of restaurants here and some sort of like a shopping. This is where we daming koromi. Daming koromi, Philippine mango is still the best. I've been to Thailand already, but I still love and prefer Philippine mango than the Thailand. So I'm now in Epic Restaurant here in Boracay, and I chose to be here kasi gusto ko kumain ng pork barbecue para nakapakain ako. And then, kaharap kasi yung beach. So look at the view of my view of the beach while having lunch here. Medyo pricey here kasi 380 pesos for the pork barbecue and then nakapakainin ng chicharong bulaklak. So, 440. Mahirap yata pumunta ng Boracay pag galing kang ibang bansa ng matagal. Tapos nagka-crave ka ng mga Filipino food kasi mahal.